Very good morning, students. Today, your grammar topic is determiners. So, determiners are word placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. In other words, we can say a determiner is a word, phrase, or affix that occurs together with a noun or noun phrase and serves to express the reference of that noun or noun phrase in the context. Students, determiners function like adjective and are used before nouns. They can be used as pronoun without a following noun. Some determiners can combine with each other too. Some examples are the, and, this, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those. In other words, we can say the determiners are article, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers. So let's understand articles. There are only three articles in English: the, a, and an. I think all of you very well known about these articles: a, the, and an. The is called the definite article. It is normally introduce a noun that is familiar to the listener. For example, the earth is round. The may introduce either a singular or plural noun. A and an are called indefinite articles. A or an normally introduce a noun that is not yet familiar to the listener. For example, I saw a new movie. A or an may only introduce a singular noun. So let's understand what is the difference between a and an. A precedes word that starts with consonant sound. For example, a table, a chair. Now understand an. An precedes word that start with vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella, and also an R. I think all of you have got. Now demonstrative. Demonstratives are words that are used to point at someone or something. For example, that book, this time, these ideas, those chair. There are only 4 demonstrative in English: singular demonstratives and plural demonstrative. Singular, this, that, and for plural, these and those. In order to be called a determiner, a demonstrative must be followed by a noun phrase. For example, I like this book. This is a determiner in the sentence. I like this. But in the second example, this is not a determiner in sentence. Okay, it must be followed by a noun. A noun must be there after it. Okay, I think all of you are getting. So let's understand possessive. Possessive are words that usually indicate position or belonging of a noun. For example, his birthday, Sham's book, her idea, New York's subway. There are two kinds of possessive: possessive determiners pronoun and possessive determiner pronoun nouns. Possessive pronouns, there are only 7 possessive determiners pronouns. Example: my, your, his, her, its, are, their. Note down one thing: the difference between its and its. The difference between their, you must know about these things. So another way to test of possessive pronoun is a determiner or not. Replace his with her and see if the sentence is grammatically correct or not. His essay was the best. Her essay was the best. His was the best exam. Her was the best exam. Since in second the test sentence gets a, his in second is not determiner. Now possessive proper noun. A proper noun with apostrophe is s is a possessive proper noun. For example, Mary's car, Connie's students, Mr. Smith's wife. Note, these are determiners and not proper noun. These are determiners, not a proper noun. Now the last one, quantifiers. Quantifiers are words that indicates the quantity of or amount of a noun. For example, 3 pencils, all countries, some books, little time, each stories. Common quantifiers are all, any, both, each, either, enough, every, few, little, most, much, neither, nor, several, some, any numbers like 5, 12, etc. I hope all of you have got the determiner. All of you have understood the determiners. These were the determiners. So that's it for today. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay connecting with us.